Welcome in Advise My Style. I'm hosting Masha. How do you do your makeup usually?
Well, usually I don't wear makeup, but if I do, I just wear mascara.
You see a bit of mascara pop, she's out. You don't need to wear makeup all the time, but because Masha hasn't been practicing her eyeliner skills that much, I'll show her how to draw an eyeliner on her slightly hooded eyes here. And I'll be using something funky because I was in London, I bought this NYX. It's amazing color, check it out. First I'll paint her green in the red area, so here, because her cheeks are slightly more red. You can totally go out like this, if you have the guts, you know. If you want to be special, don't blend this makeup. But today we're doing something more casual, so blend it in. Blend in a very thin layer and then wait for it to dry. You really need to wait for it to dry because otherwise you'll take it off with a foundation. Whoever notices what's different in this video, write it in the comments below. If you notice the difference between this picture and another, tell me what's different. So I'm going over with Zao's powder, Poudre Compact. It's natural, vegan, bunny-friendly makeup. So tapping it over, especially here where I applied the color corrector. 8 hours sleep in a click after I applied the foundation, because now it will stick. It will hold on forever. I see girls first applying concealer and then tapping powder over, whereas I noticed that this works far better if you first apply the powder and then go over with concealer, because it just sticks, it glues together. Bronzing her forehead, so this is not contouring, it's just giving a bit of dimension to the face. Dimension with beach, please. Here as well, on the cheeks, just where the ears are here, because then on the cheeks I go over with pink. Pinking her blush, look, round, so she has rounder cheeks. I'm not applying it here, but here. So that this color will make this color, so the eyeliner pop. I'll fill Masha's brows just a little bit, applying the pencil in tiny straight strokes. I'll Photoshop Masha's face. So now that we apply the foundation over, I'm using a soft brush, applying this thick concealer just where needed. I mean, you don't need it actually, you know, it's not like needed because she has a perfect skin. But just to take this redness out slightly. And I'm not pushing it in, like not pushing, just slightly dragging on the surface of the skin. Now this will be actually quite a challenge because I haven't been applying makeup for too long. Applying a line from the start, just up until where her crease breaks. So here, this is where the crease breaks, because if I would go over, I told you this so many times, if I would go over that, this eyeliner just wouldn't look good. And I'm using Lilac because she has turquoise eyes. This is a complementary color, therefore her eyes will stand out, and this is all she actually needs. Look at these beautiful lips, natural. So I'm applying something that is not color, so it's a warm color. Therefore the eyes will pop, because on the eyes we have Lilac, that is cold color. I'm putting something more similar to her skin tone actually. Now all Masha needs is a tiny bit of mascara and we are done. Let us recap the whole makeup. You're mainly working with colors, your eye color, your skin color and everything. It doesn't need to be full on makeup. You don't need to apply everything that you have in your closet. I love the eyeliner. I adore this eyeliner. The only problem is that it's very dry. So when it dries, it's like, You know, watercolor, when it dries, it gets, how do you say, it cracks. Yeah, cracks, starts falling down. If you notice the difference in the picture and what that difference is, write it down. Ciao.
So let me know.